It's Lavender Fest this week, so let's take a peek at how I got from Monday and survived till Sunday, with adventures here, there, and honestly, everywhere. So let's lavender! It's Monday. I'm so tired. I'm still working on things. Right now I'm putting these in their envelopes. I'm going to be using these old sleeves that I had. For some reason, I wasn't able to use them, but now I will, because there's no reason to have them thrown out. It's just that they're a little tricky to get in the bag with the sticky strip. Getting stuck on the print. That's the only problem. And then after this, there we go. Then after this, I will be taking these snails that look like mummies right now and painting them in the Lavender Fest theme colors. I have 6 of them and I will paint all 6 because I have some natural colored ones that didn't sell. Yay! Something I realized that I did again. I was using a paintbrush to spread my wood glue on my snails that I'm about to uncover, and I did not clean my brush after I used it last night, so now it's useless to me unless I figure out how to take the glue off. Always clean your brushes after you're done, no matter how tired you are or how distracted. Remember to clean your brushes. Well, time to take this off. Time to put on the new design. Going to see Babymetal. It's hot. It is hot. It's so hot out here. Swim is so much cooler. weekend, I thought I would do a prize wheel so I could see if I could get more subscribers to my YouTube channel, as well as newsletter and socials. So I saw somebody posted about what they did in their booth, and you've probably seen this. It's not like anything new or revolutionary, and it's just a prize wheel. They can spin it, and I'm gonna have different prizes on it, so I'm excited. Let me build it and get back to you. Okay, so I put it together, and we'll give it a spin. And I have won a gift card raffle. Guess where I am? Made it to the Lavender Festival and set up. It's a little dreary and a little windy right now, but it's gonna clear up and be beautiful later. I know it. It always starts out like this. So there's some more vendors, and I'm gonna show you my booth setup. So I brought more, what do you call those, frames? Even if that one's like tilted, but that's okay. Then I put my stickers and flyables here since it's always windy. And then here's my, don't fall. And then here's my spin to win thingamajiggy. And here we have the front. And here's the whole thing if I zoom back. I need to move my sign higher, but I'm short, so it's gonna have to stay there. So that's my booth, and there are the others. There we go. There's my friend Belle. Best neighbor ever. Here we are in Sequim, Washington, in the weekend of Lavender Fest 2025 at the Olympic Bluffs Cider and Lavender Farm, owned by Scott and Ginger. Take a look at this beautiful location. You can see behind me the beautiful little house that they've made, which actually stores their store. In there they have little tchotchkes, souvenirs, everything lavender themed and cider themed. Later on, I'll take you to where they actually have the cidery, one of the stars of this location. So with that, let's go. And here we have the cidery, where all the magic happens with the apples. They're serving tasters, they got bottles. But yeah, this is where it all happens. Pretty cool. I remember the first year I came, I don't think this was all set up yet. And now there it is. Hello. We are over halfway done with Lavender Festival. It has been amazing. I do have to say, I've had such a successful weekend, and there's still a day away. And there has been so many stories I want to share, but I want to keep this not dragging on since it's already kind of a long video. But I thought I would check in now that day 2 is over and let you know how things are going. Everything's been really smooth. My transactions have worked. My card reader has been behaving. People have really been liking the new art that I made with the lavender marine animals. I had my biggest fan appear today and always makes my day. She has come over every year. I've been doing this for 3 years, and it just I'm getting choked up. It is such a joy to see when other people admire and love your work, and she's no exception. She's super sweet. Her family's super sweet. And yeah, she's like my biggest fan, and I'm so tickled. So yeah, she comes every year from Olympia to come up all the way to our little neck of the woods. And she loves the new stuff and got some new items. I gave her a little treat, and we took some photos together. There we are. Aren't we the cutest? So I'm pretty sure that made my weekend. Who is talking to me? Oh my gosh. My phone. Seriously. God, big brother, stop it. You're ruining my moment. It was really great to see her, and I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I'm just, these are the moments that I do art for. So I'm glad I could bring some happiness and joy to her home. One other thing, now that I remember, I don't know how I could forget, but yesterday I was able to print my shirts, as you saw, and I was worried about making too many shirts, and I was right. I have way too many shirts. So there's a few factors, actually really one or two factors on why I decided to make so many shirts, because last year and the year before, I think it was, I can't remember, there was like huge tour buses that would come by with like a million people, not a million people, but just a lot of people. And they bought so many shirts. So I was just like, oh, I'll just make a bunch of shirts. And yeah, but that bus was not available this year, those buses. And it was so sad because I was kind of depending on them, but it's all right. I just have a lot of lavender shirts. So if you want a lavender shirt, I still have a ton of stock, and they're $20 each. I have a few different sizes left. I'll actually show you. I'm going to show you again. You've probably already seen it, but here's, I think this is like the 2XL, but it doesn't matter. So that's the design. That's the design I made. These are already claimed, and we'll be shipping out this coming week. But I will throw in free shipping, about $20 each. Just send me a message or whatever if you want to snag one. I would be super supportive and helpful if like you guys wanted a shirt and help support me and my business and my overcompensating like too many shirts. So yeah, grab yours. Send me a message, please. Let me get rid of this inventory. You win some, you lose some, right? I hope you enjoy what you've seen so far, and here's to one more day of Lavender Fest. Let's go, purple. Take your time. You'll never know. You'll never find all you do or left behind. The moon's gonna go, rain's gonna come, breaking out my mind and body back, and make 'em something they can use. That